Hey Keith, what's happening? It's been a while.
Hey, there you are. Hey, this is Keith Clark here, technical director at ATRA. I'm here just getting you some information as far as what's been going on. Yeah, it's been a little while since I've been in front of you guys, but hey, things are still happening. That does not mean that nothing was happening. As a matter of fact, ATRA was represented at the NACAT, or the Teachers Convention, in Sacramento, California on this past week. So that's where I was. Everybody needs information, everybody needs training, and ATRA is here to give you just that, the best in the transmission training that you can get anywhere in the world. So with that in mind, we do have some seminars coming up. As a matter of fact, just because it's summertime, we know a lot of you guys are on vacation, you're going places with your family and your friends, but we also have a seminar coming up. Yes, coming up out of this country. It's going to be in Australia, as a matter of fact. Our next seminar is in Gold Coast for our Australasian Chapter. It's going to be on July 11th through the 12th in Gold Coast, Australia. Again, we're really excited to meet the techs down under, and we always have a great time with those technicians. And again, it's about everybody getting information, and ATRA, yeah, we're international. We serve every technician that works on transmissions, whether they're here in the States or abroad. And also, we do have another seminar at the end of July. Our Southern California seminar is going to be happening from July 24th to 25th. It's going to be a 2-day event. Of course, we're going to have our hydraulics demonstration on Friday. That's going to be from 6 o'clock to 9 o'clock. And then on Saturday, we're going to have the all-day seminar. That's going to be at Knott's Berry Farm. So be there. Make sure you go onto the website, go to atra.com and look for the calendar and schedule of events, and go ahead and sign up for that seminar if you're in the Los Angeles area or if you're going in that direction. So again, we want to see you there. Yours truly is going to be performing both classes, both the Friday class and the Saturday seminar. So I'd love to see you there. On another note, we have our Gears magazine in June, the June 2026 magazine, just before our July-August show floor edition is out. Go ahead and get that. It's also online. Gears Online is available to everybody, whether you're a member or not. And you want to make sure that you catch out some of the titles inside. Again, we have a lot of excellent information. We have an article on the new A8LF1 transmission. That's the Hyundai Kia front-wheel drive transmission, the 8-speed transmission that they have now on their applications with the smaller engines. Also, we have an excellent article by Sean Boyle on cooling systems on the 10R80 transmission and how they actually are no longer doing cooling, but they're managing heat. Now, that's something that I do want to talk a little bit about, because this is something that you want to be aware of in these later model vehicles. A lot of questions and comments that we get and hotline calls that we get are regarding these transmissions, specifically the Ford transmissions, the 10R60, 80, and 140, running a little bit on the warm side. We know just from our seminar material and published material from Ford that these transmissions are designed to operate from 205 to 215 degrees Fahrenheit. That's what good looks like all day long. And you wonder, it's like, wow, how can a transmission live like that? Well, the engineering between the fluids and the friction material and just the operation of the unit inside, they design these transmissions around specific parameters, and one of them happens to be temperature. So instead of cooling systems on vehicles like the Ford with a 10-speed rear-wheel drive application, we have thermal managing systems. And the thermal managing systems is something that we go through extensively at our seminars. So again, if you're working on one of these vehicles and you're trying to get these things to run cooler, you're fighting a losing battle, because again, there's a balance between the transmission needing to be at a certain temperature range to continue learning and adapting as it wears, and also with the cooling system or the thermal management system, keeping it at that range. If you mess with that balance, then you can actually shorten the life of the transmission, because it won't be in a learning range based on the temperature that it's designed to try to maintain. So again, lots of information that you can get, not only from our seminars, not only from our magazine, but also from being a member at ATRA. So again, go to our website, atra.com, and check out membership. If you're not a member, I invite you today, because we have an extensive database that allows you to search whatever vehicle, whatever transmission that you're working on, and I can guarantee you will find something on that transmission. If we don't have a full-blown manual or virtual training, we will give you information, and if you are a member, you can call into our technicians on the hotline, and they will assist you accordingly. Finally, last but not least, we have Expo coming up. Yes, Expo. We're all excited about Expo. It's at the end of August, okay? I'm gonna look at my calendar because I don't remember things very well anymore. Not as young as I used to be, but still good looking. Anyways, it's gonna be happening from the 26th through the 30th of August. And that's gonna be right here in San Antonio at the Riverwalk. So you wanna get on to our Powertrain Expo website, and you wanna reserve your spot right here and right now. Rooms are running out, space is running out. You want to be where the action is. We have hotel rooms available still at that location, at where the seminar is going to be. So you just come down from your room right to the show floor, right down to the classrooms. So you don't have to walk out in the San Antonio heat in August. Once you're inside, you're where the action is. So again, you want to make sure you're there. If you're not able to do it online, go ahead and give us a call. As a matter of fact, if you are just trying to make coins work for yourself, we want you to come. Go ahead and call Lance Wiggins. He is the CEO here, and he will definitely do everything that he can to get you here. So again, we want to see you there. We want to see you here in San Antonio. So do everything you can to make sure that you make it to this event. And finally, it's a great day to fix transmissions. So let's get started.